So hi everyone, welcome to my video on how to make a stand in Please Donate. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a stand, customize it and add a donation button. So whether you are a beginner or a seasoned player, I hope you will find this video helpful. So guys, first step is to create a game pass. So if you want to have a donation buttons, you can use game passes as a donation button in Please Donate. So first of all, you have to make a game pass in Roblox, and you can do this by going into roblox.com website. You just need to open a browser here and go to roblox.com. It will take you to this home page of the Roblox where you have to first log in, and once you log in, it will take you to the home page. Now you have to click on this create button. Now to create a game pass, you have to click on this option, this experience, by default experience. Click on it. Now you just need to click on the menu button if you are using a phone, but in PC it is automatically open. So you just need to click on this associated items. Now you have to click on this passes, and now you need to click on this create a pass. So by creating a pass, basically you can use, so passes let you create a special item that can only be bought once per player using a Roblox. So you just need to enter the enter the name of the game pass. Like I'm gonna name it as donate me. Fine. And now you can enter the description here if you want, but it is not mandatory. Also you can upload the image, but by default image will be used if you don't upload. Now you just need to click on create pass. Once you create, you guys, now you have to set the price of the game pass. So you have to open it, click on it, and now you have to click on the sales option. So if you're using a PC, it will automatically open, but if you are on the phone, you have to click on the menu button here, and this option will be available appear. You just need to click on this, and you have to enable this option, item for sale, and now enter the price here. So I'm going to enter as 100. Now click on the save changes. Now the guys are item or the game pass has been created. You just need to add it as a donation button in Please Donate. So let's open it. So once you made this game passes, guys, once you created game passes, you just need to look for any empty stand here. Like this is an empty stand, or I will try to make a game stand where just need to claim here your stand, and your game parcel will be stayed here. Fine. You can see that's how you can add your make a stand here. Now you can customize your stand as well. You just need to click on this pencil icon on the left, and you can enter the message here if you want, whatever the message you want. Like I'm gonna enter as please donate me. Fine. So yeah, that's how you can make your game stand here. And also, if you want to purchase, you can purchase the game passes. If there is a shop here, so you can purchase the stand here from if there is a shop appears. So right now the shop is not available, but usually the shop appears. So I bought this stand at 250 gift bucks. So you can see at the bottom, this is a gift. I have 71 gift bucks right now. So you can purchase it using, and you can also appeal the user for donating, like please donate me. You can ask the user to donate you. So by if you get, so you can see that many of the users already rise the gift box by using their stand. So where's my stand? And you can see that I have already raised 17 gift box here. So you can do this, guys, by appealing or by making your attractive stand in Roblox, or please donate. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.